Uh-huh, honey.
DayJaMona. DayJaMona. Hey. Hey everyone, it's DayJaMona. Welcome back to my channel, and we're just gonna hop into it. So this is the before of my bedroom. Y'all, I thought I was doing something, let me tell you, but no. This was basic. The carpet was horrible. I had really no bedroom furniture except for my bed and my vanity. So I'm just giving y'all a gloss over of the entire room in its most original form this year. And let me tell you, stuff on the floor to keep it organized, no shelves. I took them all down. Like, it just looked crazy. So it was time to spice it up, make it look better. First, I started with my light fixture in the bedroom itself. I did also change the light fixture in the closet, which you will see later, but I call these ceiling nipples. I think I got that from Raven Elise actually, but yes, all those had to go. I did change both light fixtures myself, and this is what it looked like when the nipple came off. So this was a headache, but it got done, and you'll see what light I chose at the end, so stay tuned. Next was the flooring. I do not like carpet, it's disgusting. I ordered my flooring from Home Depot, picked it up myself. I had to take 2 trips, and this joker was heavy, okay? It was a headache, but we got it done, and I got it in the house. So for demolition, I did do it myself with the help of some friends, and this is what it looks like taking off the carpet and the underlayment. It is definitely a lot of work, but I did it. So for the closet portion, I got everything from IKEA. Now, this is me picking up the initial pieces, but it's definitely not everything. So here the room is done. Months later, I finally got the flooring installed, and I am in love with it. It looks so good. The room just looks so fresh. The tape on the ground was for the transition strips between the doorways, and there is the light fixture. But overall, like, I am in love with how the floors look, so much so that the other 2 rooms are currently under demolition as we speak, and they will also no longer have carpet. So here is the closet, and that is the other light fixture I installed myself with the nice little gold trim. And this is the floor. So comment down below what you guys think. Do you like carpet? I know people prefer it in the bedrooms, but that's what rugs are for, y'all. Them things are just gross. I had to let it go. But I'm in love with these floors. It matches the rest of the house. So happy. So here we are putting my bed together. I ordered this bed frame from Wayfair, as well as all my other bedroom furniture is from Wayfair. And that is my best friend. Hey girl. And so of course she came through and helped me put it together, and we were just kicking it and playing Barbara the Builder. So look at this closet, y'all. This is one piece of the closet and is the length of pretty much my whole bedroom. It was a rough day, but I made it work. So in the end, this is how the closet is looking. It's about an 8-foot by 5-foot closet. I did build all of this myself with no help this time, actually. But notice here that there's nothing there. That's because I had to go out of town and buy the drawers and the rest of the pieces because the IKEA, my local IKEAs were out of stock. But this is how it all came together in the end, y'all. I got some bedroom furniture in, my nightstand, and my lingerie chest. You'll see it on the right side. The bed came together nicely. I got my bedding partially from Home Goods and partially from Bed Bath & Beyond. And my bed does move up and down, so I'm just showing y'all the remote and the fact that it does move the top and the bottom, but not both sides. So it's the whole top of the bed or the whole bottom of the bed. It's not split. But this bed is great for relaxing, kicking your feet up, literally, or just sitting up in the bed if you don't want to lay down. I love this bed. And it was important to me to be able to have a headboard that would accommodate the frame that I already had. So yes, I'm just showing you here that my bed lifts up and it goes down, and just in love. The headboard definitely like spices it up. It doesn't look so basic. Like when I think back now, I'm like, dang, my room was basic, and I thought like covers was doing something. No, 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 no. But in any regard, that's my lingerie chest over there, which I have, my undergarments and stuff. I added some curtains, some drapery, and my 2 lamps, courtesy of my other best friend. Thanks, Mary. And this is what the room is looking like. So I still need a dresser, which is going to go right there in that empty space. But here we get into the closet. So my clothes are hung up. All the shelves are in. And then all the drawers are also in. So you see I have a lot of space. I have a lot of empty space. I wanted this closet to be able to accommodate 2 people, possibly in the future when I no longer live here. But I think it came out really well, and I'm super proud of myself for being able to do it myself. And there is the light fixture and my little artwork that you've seen previously inside the bedroom. And of course a step stool, because these things are 8 feet tall. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And until next time, much love.